The Pac-Man scored a majority draw in his comeback fight against reigning WBC welterweight champ Mario Barrios. But to many, he scored more than that. There are those who are saying he got a new lease on boxing life. Well, did he? Should he? Let's break down what happened this weekend. And joining us once again is veteran boxing analyst, attorney Ed Tolentino. Attorney Ed, partner, magandang gabi at maraming salamat ulit for joining us here on the scorecard.
Good evening, Anton. Always a pleasure to be here sa scorecard.
So again, as usual, naging habit ko na rin, attorney, na panoorin yung YouTube channel mo, which is very good for us boxing fans kasi nagbibigay ka doon ng extensive boxing analysis right after the fight. You shared your thoughts. And one of the things that stood out to me was that you had the same score as one of the judges, 115, 113. You also believe na si Pacquiao ang karapat-dapat na nanalo doon sa bakbakan na yon. And just for our viewers here on the show, why do you believe that Manny did enough na manalo?
Well, sabi ko nga, panalo si Manny Pacquiao sa aking scorecard, 115, 113. I thought panalo siya sapagkat for a 46-year-old guy, siya po ang nagdikta ng tempo ng labang ito. Siya, hindi si Mario Barrios. Yung six-footer, yung batang Barrios, for some reason, was hesitant to really pull the trigger. Puro jab. Nakita nyo, nakakasingit pa si Manny Pacquiao. At talagang parang may takot yung Mario Barrios. I think he was intimidated doon sa reputation ni Manny Pacquiao. And yung nakita niya na may galaw pa rin yung Manny Pacquiao. Even his trainers, in between breaks, sinasabihan siya, stop showing Pacquiao too much respect. The reason Pacquiao lasted the distance is because, number one, walang pressure. Hindi siya pinipisikal ni Mario Barrios. He used his ring smarts. Itong si Manny Pacquiao, yung kanyang ring IQ. And that proved enough to make him look good against Mario Barrios. I thought Barrios needed a knockout in the final round to salvage a win. So itong draw na ito para sa akin ay hindi katanggap-tanggap. I think, yes, they robbed Manny Pacquiao of a victory. Dapat siya ngayon ang oldest welterweight champion in history at 46. Look at that. Look at those moves, So, kuha niya eh. Siya ang nagbitbit ng labang ito. Siya ang nagdala, in my opinion.
Attorney Ed, watching the fight personally, I thought Manny's best round was the 7th round. Now, one former champion, Andre Ward, also felt that Manny Pacquiao did enough to win the fight. He said Manny won that fight. But in round number 12, he believes that Barrios finally got the better of Manny Pacquiao. Your thoughts on round number 7 and round number 12 in particular?
Alam mo, ang critical dito talaga, yung 7, okay. Yung 11 and 12, lalo na yung last 3 rounds, binigay halos ng dalawang hurado doon kay Mario Barrios. I thought too late na rally para kay Mario Barrios. Palagay ko huli na nung mag-open up siya. Siguro doon nararamdaman niya na siya ay trailing na on points. So he felt a sense of urgency in the last 2 rounds. But I thought Manny, okay na siya. Of course, people are saying sana itinodo na ni Manny Pacquiao, lalo na nung 12th round para mas selyado ang kanyang panalo. But this guy was 46, okay? Iba yung batang Pacquiao. Siguro yung batang Pacquiao, hindi nang umabot ng 10 rounds yan. Ito si Barrios. So I thought that Barrios opened up too late in this fight. He coasted in the middle rounds and that pagdating ng 11 and 12, okay, humabol siya, nagpakawala na siya, pero hindi enough in my opinion. Even in the last round, kung saan lumaban na yung Barrios, I think nakakuha pa rin si Manny Pacquiao ng mga magandang suntok kontra kay Barrios. So I thought really it was a too late na rally for Mario Barrios. Nakita mo, draw lang ang naisalba ni Barrios in that attempt to finish the fight.
Now, attorney, post-fight, si Manny Pacquiao in his press conference, para sa akin, very shocking yung mga sinabi niya. Sinabi niya na tama na muna ang politics. The journey continues. He wants to continue itong pagiging boksingero niya. Attorney Ed, you said in your Boxer Shorts channel that he can go out with pride if this was his last fight. Pero mukhang itutuloy pa ni Manny Pacquiao itong boxing journey niya.
Well, yun nga masakit. Sabi ko, pwede nang isara ni Manny Pacquiao ang kanyang karera sa boxing sapagkat itong laban na ito, kung itong huling laban niya, hindi na nakakahiya ito. Yung ikay nakatabla sa isang reigning world champion na mas bata sa'yo. Para sa akin, okay na ending na ito. Ang laki naman ng kinita niya, almost $18 million. But the thing is, sabi ko nga, kahit draw yung laban, he actually scored a moral victory. Pinakita niya na meron pang asim ang Pacman. So ngayon, lalaban ulit siya. He wants to fight again. Okay, kung yun ang gusto ni Manny Pacquiao, pwede pa naman. Pero Anthony has to pick his battles. Okay? Hindi na pwede yung dating mindset ng Pacquiao na, sige, pumila kayo, aararuhin ko kayo lahat. Hindi na po pwede yon. Si Pacquiao ay 46 na. So kung gusto niyang ituloy, mamili na lamang siya ng kalaban na kahit papano meron siyang magandang tsansa. Sapagkat ang boxing po ay pangbata talaga. Madidisgrasya ka kung ang mindset niya katulad pa rin nung dati na lalabanan lahat. Hindi, palagay ko this time, he will pick his battle if he really wants to continue fighting.
Attorney, sino sa tingin mo ang pwedeng piliin nitong si Manny Pacquiao? Is a rematch on the horizon or is a potential rematch as well with 48-year-old Floyd Mayweather Jr. part of the options of Manny Pacquiao moving forward?
Well, they're talking about a rematch with Barrios. I say forget it. Ano? Kung bata pa si Manny Pacquiao, o sige, laban tayo ulit. Pero matanda na ako eh. So I have to move past na this fight. Para sa akin, ang pinakamaganda yung Floyd Mayweather Jr. Kumbaga, magkasing edad tayo eh. Ano? Kahit pa paano, hindi nagkakali yung edad natin. At ang labang ito, kahit walang titulo, kakagatin ng mga tao. Kasi nga, parang bitin eh. Yung nangyaring unang laban nila noong 2015, ano? Kung saan may injury si Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang balikat. At anyway, pangit talaga yung laban niya. So this is a chance for them na makapag-payback naman sa mga fans na naunsyamido sa unang laban. But is Mayweather willing to risk his unbeaten record? Sapagkat kung exhibition lang ito, I don't think si Manny Pacquiao ay papayag. Kailangan totoong laban because ang magiging attraction dito hindi yung world title, hindi na importante. Ang attraction dito is can the unbeaten record of Mayweather be cracked or blemished by Manny Pacquiao.
I did see some interviews na yun din ang sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao na wag na exhibition. He wants a real boxing fight with Floyd Mayweather Jr. And in another interview, nakita ko rin na tinanong si Manny Pacquiao, who's your top 5 boxers of all time? And noticeably, hindi kasama si Floyd Mayweather Jr. sa mga pangalan na binanggit ni Manny Pacquiao. I feel, Attorney Ed, and I don't know if you agree with me, that there is that Floyd Mayweather, kumbaga siya yung multo ni Manny Pacquiao, that he wants to come back and get back at Manny Mayweather. What do you think?
Yes. Ito'y kasama sa mga saywar eh. Yung plano ni Manny na i-motivate si Floyd Mayweather to finally, sabi nga niya, just sign the contract. Wala tayong problema. So sinasabi niya ito yung mga ito, the feeling niya, I thought I won the first fight. Ang feeling niya is takot si Mayweather sa kanya. So all these things factored in is to entice Mayweather to come out of his cocoon and fight Manny Pacquiao. Yan ang in a way na galawan ni Manny Pacquiao ngayon is to try to find a way. Magrarangka ko ng mga all-time greatest ko. Wala ka sa aking listahan. Mapipib si Mayweather. Sabihin ni Mayweather, sige, labanan kita. Sigurado ako. After the fight, kasama na ako sa listahan mo. Things like that. He's trying to goad Mayweather into, fighting him again. And because that fight will really make a lot of money, Anton. It will really make a lot of money.
So for my last question, Attorney Ed, money, Floyd Mayweather, there are rumors na he needs money, but
Yeah.
in your mind, what would it take for Floyd Mayweather to sign the contract and accept a rematch against Manny Pacquiao?
Well, kung totoo may money problem si Floyd Mayweather, okay? There are persistent rumors na nagkakaproblema siya because of his lifestyle din. Ito lang talaga ang solusyon eh. Pero alam nyo, meron po kasing sitwasyon dito si Floyd Mayweather. Pera kapalit ng kanyang unbeaten record na maaring madungisan. Yun ang quandary niya ngayon eh. Pero saan ka gagawa ng pera outside boxing? sa boxing lang, pwede kang kumita ng super laki in about an hour or so. So, but the thing is, masyado siyang ma-pride. Because sabi nga niya, wala akong talo eh. Best record ito eh. And of course, ang isa pa diyang natatakutan niya, pag naglaban sila ni Pacquiao, nakita niya yung laban ni Pacquiao kay Barrios, teka muna, mukhang pag naglaban kami, wala nang problema sa balikat. Medyo amanos na ang laban. Ano? So, yun ang mga sitwasyon dyan. Maaring may nervous din si Mayweather. Pero alam natin, siyempre, si Mayweather, always in good shape. Nakikita niyo naman kahit matagal nang walang laban, puro exhibition lang, he's always in good shape. Ano? But those are the problem. Really, the main problem is the record. That's the record. Ano? Pero kung gusto mong ma-entice siya talaga, siyempre, money. Sobrang daming pera ngayon sa boxing. Ano? Sige, saan ka kukuha ng ganyang halaga? Saan? Wala. Sa boxing lang. Kung gusto mong ma-replenish ang iyong alkansya na medyo alanganin na ngayon, ito, boxing, instantly, your piggy bank is back in shape.
Well, I guess we have to wait and see kung ano ang mangyayari. As Manny Pacquiao said, the journey in boxing continues. Attorney Ed, maraming salamat muli sa oras and take care over there, partner.
Ingat kayo at medyo masama ang panahon, ano? Stay safe and always a pleasure to be here at Scoreboard.
Thank you so much, Attorney. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you.